Want to turn your free time into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a beginner or looking to add a new skill, these are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up is Facebook and Instagram ads. Businesses are always looking for ways to reach their target audience, and running ads on these platforms is one of the most effective methods. As an ad manager, you'll create and optimize campaigns to drive sales and engagement. Start by learning Facebook Ads Manager, which is the go-to tool for creating and managing ads. Many businesses pay $30 to $150 per hour for ad management services, depending on the size of the campaign. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that might need help with their social media advertising. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. Next is logo design. Every business needs a memorable logo to represent their brand, and if you have an eye for design, this skill is perfect for you. As a logo designer, you'll create unique and professional logos that help businesses stand out. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, which are great for creating vector-based designs. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per logo, depending on the complexity and your experience. To stand out, focus on understanding branding principles and creating designs that align with your clients' visions. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or Behance, or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Third is product photography. With the rise of e-commerce, businesses need high-quality images to showcase their products. As a product photographer, you'll take professional photos that make products look irresistible. Start by learning the basics of photography, including lighting, composition, and editing. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for product photography services, depending on the complexity of the shoot. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to local businesses that sell products online. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy photography and want to tap into a growing industry. Fourth is AI content generation. With the rise of AI tools, businesses are looking for experts who can use these tools to create high quality content quickly. As an AI content generator, you'll use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to write blogs, social media posts, and more. Start by learning how to use AI tools effectively and how to edit the content to make it sound natural. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for AI-generated content, depending on the volume and quality. To stand out, focus on understanding your clients' needs and delivering content that aligns with their brand voice. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to content agencies. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the content creation world. Finally, let's talk about event planning. Whether it's a corporate event or a wedding, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. As an event planner, you'll handle everything from budgeting to vendor coordination. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses that host events. With a bit of networking and marketing, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy organizing and want to help others create unforgettable experiences. And there you have it, 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose Facebook to Instagram ads, logo design, product photography, AI content generation, or event planning, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Start small, keep learning, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.